All right, so here we have some of your homework problems for tonight. Now remember, you don't actually have to have a graphing calculator in order to do these problems. So you do need to actually do those calculations. You can use any type of calculator to get those problems done. Okay, we're going to start here with number one. Okay, and that's the same way you're going to do the following ones, and I'll just make sure that I explain to you the subtracting to figure out your x. Okay, but it says right here it's x is years after 1990. Okay, and then I want you to approximate the rate of change in dollar value of the investment per year from 2000 to 2003. Okay, from 1990 to 2000 is 10 and 2003 is 13. So when you're in your graphing calculator, your x's are 10 and 13. And remember, you're going to plug 10 and 13 into x right here in order to get your L2 values. So I go into stat, and 10 and 13 are my L1s, and then I plug the entire equation okay, which gave me 161.92 for the first one, and then 203.97 for the second one. So if you were doing this by hand, you could still say that it would be the 161.92 minus 203.97 divided by 10 minus 13. You can still do it that way if you're doing it in the calculator. It would be stat, calc, 4, enter. And our answer is 14.02. Okay, so that's the same process you're going to use for number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, so let's make sure we have our numbers right. So from 1995 to 2010 is going to be 15 years, and then 2014 would be 19 years. On number 3, from 2000 to 2009 will be 9 years and 13 years. From 2005 to 2010 will be 5 years and then 8 years. And then from 1998 to 2010, that's going to be 12 years and then 14 years, 16 years, sorry. I was thinking 2000. Okay, so that's how you're going to do 1 through 5. Okay, picking up with problem number 6, it has a y-intercept of 5 and passes through what is the slope. So remember, we're going to start with the y-intercept of 5 means 0, 5. The other point was 4, negative 3. So we're going to say 5 minus negative 3, 0 minus 4 gives me 8 over negative 4, or negative 2 over 1 is your slope. Okay, number 7 and 8 ask you about x-intercept, so you're going to do the same process I did in number 6, except for you're going to use an x-intercept, so it'll be negative 13, 0, and then negative 4, negative 3. From here, your process is the same. Scroll down to number 9. I'll start it off for you as well. Okay, so we're going to start right here by distributing. That's going to give me 3a cubed minus 9a squared minus 3a. And then plus 2a squared minus 6a minus 2. So your only job now is going to be to combine the like terms to simplify. All right, and then for number 10, we're going to set up a little chart here, remember? So that's going to give me the price of a chicken sandwich is 75 cents more than a hamburger. So our hamburgers are going to be X, and our chicken sandwich would be X plus 75 cents. Okay, you bought 4 hamburgers and 2 chicken sandwiches, so you're going to multiply those together, giving us 4X and 2X plus $1.50. Then we're going to add that up, giving us 6X plus $1.50 equals $21. And then I'm going to solve from there. Sorry. Okay, and then when you divide you're going to get that your X or your hamburger is $3.25. It asks for a hamburger, so you are done at $3.25.